Start with the end in mind. Famous phrase from Stephen Covey and Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. I'm not sure how many of you have read that book. It's brilliant, very powerful book. That's Stephen Covey on the right-hand side. And when researching his next book, which is The Eighth Habit, which is largely about find your inner voice and enable other people to find their voice, he was researching that book and he learned about the USS Santa Fe. So he got in touch with the captain of the Santa Fe, which is the gentleman on the left there, which is David Marquet. And he is the hero of this story because he was given the Santa Fe after being training up for the USS Olympia for a year. He was suddenly told, unfortunately, the captain of the Santa Fe has left suddenly, and so you're being reassigned to the Santa Fe. The problem was it was a different ship to what he was used to, and it was also a poor performing ship. And it was his leadership approach that Stephen Covey was really fascinated with because within a year it became from the worst performing ship in the fleet to the best performing ship in the history of the Navy by demonstrable measures. Every few years, you get people riding on board, inspecting the ship, and in every measure, it outperformed every other ship. So Covey needed to understand why. So to start with the end in mind is this here, the ladder of leadership. Now, one of the reasons I wanted to do this presentation today